Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to contact Roblox support. It's important to know that Roblox does not offer direct text message support. Instead, you'll need to use their official website to reach out for help. The primary method for getting assistance is through their dedicated online contact form, which is designed to gather all the necessary details about your issue efficiently. This ensures your request goes to the right team. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official Roblox support page. Once there, you'll want to look for a section labeled Contact Us or Help. Within this area, you should find a link specifically for the support form. Click on this link to proceed to the next step, where you will provide details about your specific problem. This form is your gateway to getting direct help. When filling out the support form, first provide your Roblox username and a current email address where support can reach you. Next, select the device you are using, such as a computer, phone, or tablet. Then, choose the category that best describes your issue from the available options. Finally, in the description box, clearly and concisely explain your problem. Being detailed helps the support team understand and resolve your issue faster. Before submitting, take a moment to review all the information you've entered on the form to ensure it is accurate and complete. Once you are satisfied, click the Submit button. You should then receive an email confirmation acknowledging your request. Keep an eye on your inbox, including your spam folder, for a response from Roblox support, which typically arrives within a few days. They will communicate with you via email.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.